Legislature Judiciary. The National Assembly, also known as the Parliament of Afghanistan, or simply as the Afghan Parliament, is the national legislature of Afghanistan. It is a bicameral body, comprising two chambers. According to Chapter 5 of the Constitution of Afghanistan, the National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan as the highest legislative organ is the manifestation of the will of its people and represents the whole nation. Every member of the National Assembly takes into judgment the general welfare and supreme interests of all people of Afghanistan at the time of casting their vote. The National Assembly is located next to the famous Darul Aman Palace in Darul Aman, which is the southwestern section of Kabul where many important national institutions are found. The current building for the Assembly was built by India as part of its contribution in the rebuilding of Afghanistan. It was inaugurated in late 2015 by Afghan President Ashraf Ghani and his guest Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. The current parliament was inaugurated on April 26, 2019 after being sworn in by Ghani. Ratification, modification or abrogation of laws or legislative decrees. Approval of social, cultural, economic as well as technological development programs. Approval of the state budget as well as permission to obtain or grant loans. Creation, modification and or abrogation of administrative units. Ratification of international treaties and agreements, or abrogation of membership of Afghanistan in them. Other authorities enshrined in this constitution. The Wala-e-Jirga has 250 seats with members directly elected by the people. 68 women were elected to the seats reserved under the constitution, while 17 of them have been elected in their own rights. Each province was given proportionate representation in the Wala-e-Jirga according to its population. Each member of the Wala-e-Jirga will enjoy a 5-year term. An aspiring candidate for the Wala-e-Jirga must fulfill the following criteria. In addition, no candidate can have been charged with crimes against humanity. The Meshrano Jirga consists of a mixture of appointed and elected members. 68 members were selected by 34 directly elected provincial councils, and 34 were appointed by the president. President Karzai's appointments were vetted by an independent UN-sponsored election board and included 17 women, as required by the constitution. Each provincial council has elected one council member to serve in the Jirga. Also, each district council, representatives of provincial councils will serve a term of 4 years, while representatives of district councils will serve a term of 3 years. Sebghatullah Mojaddedi was appointed president of Meshrano Jirga. An aspiring candidate for the Meshrano Jirga must fulfill the following criteria. In addition, no potential member of the Meshrano Jirga can have been charged with crimes against humanity. The foundation stone for the new Afghan parliament was laid in August 2005 by the last king of Afghanistan, Zahir Shah, in the presence of Hamid Karzai and Manmohan Singh. India's Central Public Works Department was the consultant for the project and the contract was awarded to an Indian infrastructure company in 2008. The new parliament building is corralled in a 100-acre plot in the famous Darul Aman section of Kabul. It sits next to historical landmarks such as Amanullah Khan's Palace and the Queen's Palace. The construction work on the $220 million building was initially slated to be complete by 2012, in 36 months. The deadline, however, was pushed back due to challenging work conditions, shortage of skilled workforce and precarious security environment. More than 500 laborers had worked on the building, most of them Indian nationals. The main attraction of the building is a bronze dome of 32-meter diameter and 17.15-meter height is considered to be the largest dome in Asia. The big dome will cover the assembly hall and the small dome will be over the entrance lobby. In front of the building, there is a water body with 9 cascading fountains. Inside the building, a 20-feet fountain, made of green marble imported from Indian city of Udaipur, has been installed. On December 25, 2015, during a state visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the new parliament building was inaugurated along with President Ashraf Ghani. Ghani tweeted, Pleased to welcome PM Modi to Kabul. Though India and Afghanistan need no introduction, we are bound by 1,000 ties. We have stood by each other in the best and worst of times.